The location of your attic stairs can also be a big source of air infiltration and can really affect your heating and cooling bill. A couple ways to seal this opening off. One is to take a foam weather stripping that you may use around doors or windows and install it right along the perimeter where the door of the attic stairs folds up against the opening. This will seal off a lot of that air infiltration. Now, I've seen some other contraptions where people have taken foam board or insulation itself and tried to position it over the attic stairs. Sometimes that can really be a mess, but we found something that should solve this problem. This is an attic tent which seals and insulates the attic stair opening. They're sized to fit common attic door openings and install pretty easily. We begin by sealing the perimeter of the stair frame with caulk and expanding foam for some of the larger gaps. Then we spread the tent over the opening and begin attaching it around the perimeter using a regular staple gun. It's important that the tent is properly positioned so that the zipper opening is at the hinge end of the attic door. This will allow for easy access in and out of the attic. And then when we walk back down the stairs, we simply flap it back over, zip it up, and it should do a real effective job in saving a little bit of energy for these homeowners.